How to talk to an electrician in English. Before start, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get next video you first. You are sitting in your room. It's night. Everything is fine. Suddenly, the light goes off. You try the switch again. Nothing. Fan? Not working. Charging? Stopped. Now you call an electrician. He comes, stands in front of you and asks, "What is the problem?" And you freeze. You know the problem, but you don't know how to explain it in English. Sound familiar? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to talk to an electrician in English using real-life conversations, simple sentences, and practical examples, so that next time, you don't feel nervous, you feel confident. So today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to talk to an electrician in English using real-life conversations, simple sentences, and practical examples, so that next time, you don't feel nervous, you feel confident. Mic introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English Fluently. If you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations, not just grammar, not just theory, but real communication, then you are in the right place. Today's topic is super practical. How to talk to an electrician in English. Stay with me till the end, because I will show you real sentences, real conversations, real-life situations, and trust me, after this video, you will never feel stuck again. Part 1. Understanding the situation. Before learning sentences, you need to understand something important. Communication is not about perfect English, it's about clear English. Even simple sentences can solve big problems. For example, wrong thinking, I need perfect English. Correct thinking, I need simple and clear English. That's what we'll focus on. Simile. Part 2. Common problems you need to explain. Let's start with the most important part. Explaining the problem. Light problems. The light is not working. This bulb is not turning on. The light is flickering. Tip. Keep it simple. No need for big vocabulary. Power problems. There is no electricity in this room. The power keeps going off. Only this socket is not working. Fan problems. The fan is not spinning. The fan is making noise. It's running very slowly. Switch problems. This switch is broken. The switch is not working properly. Acting act. Part 3. Asking for help. Now you explained the problem. Next step, ask for help politely. Use these. Can you please check this? Could you fix it? Can you repair it? Please take a look. Pro tip. Always say please. It sounds polite and professional. Time tack. Part 4. Asking about time. You don't just want it fixed. You want to know how long it will take. Use, how long will it take? Can you fix it today? Will it take a long time? Money sign. Part 5. Talking about cost. Very important part. How much will it cost? Is it expensive? Can you make it cheaper? Please give me a good price. Real tip. Don't be afraid to ask about money. It's normal. Acting act. Part 6. Full real-life conversation. Role play. Now let's bring everything together. Imagine this scene. Electrician. Hello, what seems to be the problem? You. Hi, the light in my room is not working. Electrician. Okay, when did it stop working? You. It stopped working last night. Electrician. Let me check. He checks. Electrician. The wiring is loose. You. Oh, can you fix it? Electrician. Yes, I can fix it. You. How long will it take? Electrician. It will take about 20 minutes. You. Okay. How much will it cost? Electrician. It will cost around 500 taka. You. Can you reduce the price a little? Electrician. Okay, I will make it 400. You. All right, please fix it. See? Simple English. Real communication. No stress. Acting act. Part 7. Advanced situations. Let's go a bit deeper. Warnings in. Emergency situation. There is a burning smell. Something is sparking. Please come quickly. Tools in. After repair. Is everything okay now? Will it happen again? What should I do to avoid this? TH. Giving feedback. Thank you, good job. You did a great job. Everything is working perfectly now. Brainsin. Part 8. Common mistakes. Avoid these. X. light not work. X, fan problem big. X, you fix fast. X, fan has a big problem. X, you fix fast. X, fan has a big problem. 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 X, fan has a big problem.